Understanding nickel-and-diming, a common English expression. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English expressions. Today, we're diving into the meaning and usage of a very common phrase, nickel-and-diming. This expression is not just a literal reference to coins, but a metaphorical way to describe a certain behavior in financial transactions. Let's unpack this together. Nickel-and-diming refers to the act of charging or attempting to charge a small amount of money for several minor things, often in a way that is considered annoying or petty. This phrase usually implies that someone is being overcharged incrementally, with the total cost adding up over time. It's like being charged bit by bit for things that one might expect to be included in the overall price. The phrase, nickel-and-diming, originates from American slang. The nickel and the dime are small denominations of U.S. currency. The expression began to be used to describe situations where small amounts of money are repeatedly asked for, leading to an unexpectedly large total expense. It encapsulates the frustration of feeling that every little thing is being charged separately. To better understand the phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. A hotel experience. Imagine you're staying at a hotel that charges extra for every little thing. Wi-Fi, using the gym, even for a bottle of water. This situation can be described as the hotel nickel-and-diming its guests. 2. In the workplace. If an employer charges employees for using office supplies or deducts small amounts for minor issues, employees might feel they are being nickel-and-dimed. 3. In retail. If a store advertises a low price for a product but then adds extra fees for necessary components or services, this can also be seen as nickel-and-diming. When using this phrase, it's often used in a negative context. Ensure that the situation involves small, incremental charges that add up. It's typically used in informal conversations or writings. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and usage of nickel-and-diming. Understanding such expressions can add nuance to your English communication and help you interpret various social and financial interactions. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more interesting English phrases with you in our next videos.